far as the forecourt of the Rashtrapati Bhavan is concerned. Now, while of course this is more of a ceremonial nature of the welcome as far as the government is concerned, the government of India is concerned. And let me get in Priyank, who's with us. Priyank, this is, while this is largely symbolic, it's also very significant because of the timing of what is happening. We're talking at a time when Russia is engaged in a war with Ukraine. India has stood by Russia and has said that it will take a stand that is more balanced, a more pragmatic approach. And clearly, of course, India continues to be a good friend of Russia and continues to engage. And that is very evident in the Prime Minister's reception of Russian President yesterday at the airport and the ceremonial part of the welcome that we're seeing take place at the presidential residence, which is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Priyank.
Yes, Madhav, the official visit of the Russian president actually begins now because soon after the ceremonial welcome actually happens, then that is counted as the official visit. Yesterday was a personal dinner, which was a private dinner hosted Prime Minister of India, where he had personally gone and received Putin from the airport. And now onwards, throughout the day, it's going to be a very jam-packed events where there will be a series of meetings, which is also expected to happen. And that will certainly decide the further course of action. We know it for the fact that Russians also believe that the US also buys the nuclear fuel from them, but there is no sanction in that. So why so that India has to face the brunt of the kind of diplomatic stand which Donald Trump has been taking? That is the critical stand on which Russians have also been standing along with India, and you have seen the kind of gesture which has been seen from both the counterparts. Now the fact of the matter is that what will happen in the Hyderabad House meeting is going to be the key factor which will be the deciding factor for which the world has been keeping an eye on. While talking about the ceremonial reception which has just been concluded right now, the moment Putin enters, there was a 105 field guns, 21 gun salute which was given to him by the armed regiment, and it has been given at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then the red carpet welcome happened, and he was also given the guard of honor. After this, he will be moving out from here and straight away going to Rajghat, where he will be paying tribute to Pita Mahatma Gandhi. And then around 12 o'clock, we are expecting that at your location where you are right now, the meeting, the bilateral meeting will happen. But Russia has made this stand very well and very clear to the world that since US has also been buying the nuclear fuel from Russia, why is it so that they have yes. There is some movement expecting here. We can hear the sound of the movement.
Stay on with us. In fact, we are soon going to get visuals as well. We are getting, in fact, visuals very soon. Shortly, we are going to get visuals of the convoy of the Russian president leaving from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Just behind me, you'll again see the entire convoy now moving towards the Rajghat, where the